Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel, UI UX Design Corner Review Samples. And in today's episode, we're going to look at how to put together a mobile app, a barbershop appointments app in Lunacy. So let's get right into it. So this is what we're going to cover today. So we're going to look at this, and 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 this. So let's start here. So I'll open up my UI design tool. So I have it open here. So I'll come to file. So file, I'll create a new local document. So there's our new local document. Then I'll open layer. So layer, I will come here to create. Then I'll select frame. Then I'll click on frame. Then I'll choose from one of these here. So let's see which one will look nice. Okay, let's go with iPhone 15 Pro. So this one, what we're going to call it is, okay, we'll come here. So here, let's just rename. So say one dot splash screen. Splash screen there, so that when we save the images, they save in the order in which we made them there. Then I'll get my color picker. So I'll go to color picker here. So I have that one running. So I'll just create a fresh list. Then I'll select the colors which are here that we're going to use. So one of them is this green here. Let's see, I'm not sure about the purple, but we'll just keep that there for now. So let's get started in making the splash screen. So I've got the resource files here. So these will be linked in the description section for this video here. Then let's get right into it. Okay, so let's start with the background. So I've got the fields there. The background is already loaded there. So I'll come to my color picker tool. Then I'll just press copy. Okay, then select background, then shift hash, then control V. Okay, then press enter there. Then I'll bring in a logo. So logo, what we're going to do is we'll select an image control. There are two here. There's this one for the avatar, then this one for image. So we'll select this one. Then come here. Let me just get that address. Okay, so here, let's press Control C. Then let me just paste that in there. So I'll go directly to that address. Okay, so here we are. So let's look for that logo. Let's see which one will fit nicely. Let's get this one here. Then we'll open. Then we'll just place that there. Then let's see. Okay, that looks good. Put some rounded edges around the canvas there. So select 0 here. Then we'll add 25. Then we'll press enter button. Okay, so that looks good. That looks good there. So let's see. Okay, moving on to the next video. Let me end this video here. I go on to the next one. I'll be right back. Keep it locked here. Review Sample Z. I'm Sims, and the links for these resource files will be in the description section. I'll be back with the next video. Peace.